Sorry about that, guys. My thing stopped recording. That was going to be such an epic video, but my thing stopped recording. So, if you're watching this, then this is part. Well, it's not part 2. It's not episode 2, but it's part of the other video. So, this video is part of the other one. It's really confusing. My thing messed up, and I just lost that video. Well, this video is going to go together with the other one. So if you're watching this, then this video is going with the other one. And if my recording stops again, then I'm gonna have to do then I won't do a number 3, but you guys will know why, cause my thing just stopped. It randomly just stopped. So if you guys see that it's gone, then yeah, I can't do anything about it. It's just gone. Hopefully it doesn't go away again. I'm so I can't talk. That's how mad I am right now. I can't even talk. But yeah, this might be our last one. This video is gonna be really short because I'm trying to get to level 6 in this video. Let's see if we can do it. I need to start recording fast in this video. This video is gonna be 20 minutes long because of how it might be 20. The other one was like 17 minutes, so that's already 18. It's about 19. So this video will be like 21 minutes long, and my thing is not good. Okay. Yeah, this video might be 20 minutes long, so hope you guys enjoyed that. It's gonna be a really good video, so hope you guys are excited for both videos. And I just fell down. That is the greatest start ever. But I really need to get to the next thing. Alright, let's go this way. I might die, but I'm not exactly sure. The water is making it up. It's making its way up. Come on, come on. Oh, it's right there on the edge, bro. There we go, we made it. That's good. I just screamed so loud. Oh, what is this? I've never Oh yeah, I have played this map. I don't know if you have, but I have. This map is actually pretty hard. If you know this map, then yeah, it's pretty hard. It's a pretty hard map. Oh shoot. I fell down. Can I go back up? Can I make it? Go! Oh my god, oh my god. I made it. How did I make that? Oh my god, I just made it. I just made it after that huge attack. Oh my god. I can't believe I actually made that. I thought I was gonna die. Oh, where are we supposed to go? Down there, over here. I don't know. We're supposed to go in the water? What? Oh, the water's still not up. How do, wait, what? No! Shoot. Hit it. Ah, hit it. No, I can't hit it. No. Oh shoot. Hit it. I can't find my way out. Oh no. Oh yeah, I died. I couldn't find my way out. Oh no. I just sounded really dumb right there. Oh man, that is just not good. Alright. We are so close. We're like on the final. If we win this one, we might get to the next level. We might. I don't know, but we might just get to the next level if we complete this. Which, this is pretty easy. So I'm saying we probably will. So yeah. Oh, they're gonna touch that one. Oh, that guy just went. Oh shoot, we both just fell off. I thought he was gonna get it, but we just like both just fell off. Go for that button. And I'll go for the next one. If he's probably gonna go for it. Yeah, he's probably gonna go for it. It's gonna spawn like right here. Okay. Thought he didn't make it. There we go. We might be heading to the next level, which is really good because I want to be there. And I want more gems to buy the next tank, which is this one, the crazy tank. I being stuck in this tank, which is really funny. Yeah, I've definitely got this map. I'm getting to the next level, I think. Did they touch the buttons? Yep. There we go. Let's go up. That guy has the rubber ducky one. I would have got that one. That one's really cool. The rubber ducky one. The rubber ducky tank is really cool. I would want that one, so I might get it. It's 200, which is really expensive. Oh, again, my thing ain't moving. It's because it's so laggy. Sometimes it's not laggy, but sometimes it is. And my thing just has its mind of its own. It's really crazy, but it just does. We're gonna. Oh no! Ooh. There we go. We made it. Oh, what's the next map? Oh, this one's hard. Yep, this one's really hard. You need to make it up there, but you need to make it over here. So, yeah. Hopefully, someone presses the buttons. There we go. Oh no! Oh no! Can I swim? Oh, I just made it on the edge. It's acid now. It's acid. No, 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 no. Oh, yes, we're leveling up 5 gems. There we go. 5 gems. That's good. And yeah, we level up to the next level. So I'm gonna end this video right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Isn't that right, emote person and buddies? And I want to buy your emotes or buddies, skins and tanks and this guy. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Yeah, I'm number 1. Goodbye.